Hello everyone. In this lecture we will create an area that will bring the last 3 or 4 blog posts. Let's start by creating a section. Write section. And in it add a div inside this section. Give a class to this div as container fluid to make it responsive. Now we will add a card inside this div. Cards are new with Bootstrap 4. Okay, write card. Let's use Emmet code, Emmet shortcuts. Dot card dash columns and press tab. Okay, afterwards add another card class with div inside of the last div. Let's add an image inside the card div here. With a class of card dash img dash top. Now we define the position of the image here. Okay, we have to add a source, of course. Select image folder, blog, and fashion1.jpg. Don't forget to add a alt tag, which is important for SEO. Write fashion 1 picture. Under that image we will add another div and attach a class of cart block. Now it is time to write the texts inside of the cards. Let's add a heading in here, for example H4 and dot, which adds a class of card dash title, and inside scopes write fashion card title 1 and press tab. Now it created the line for me. As for the paragraph, add p tag with a class of card text and press tab. Now enter lorem inside the p tags and press tab again to fill the paragraph. This actually is a really long paragraph. Let's remove some lines in it. A small paragraph is good. Okay, let's delete some more. This is enough. Okay, let's add another paragraph with the same class, but for context write here last updated 3 minutes ago. Okay, when we save and run the page, we will see something like this. It's a nice card, but we have to make some changes. Let's get rid of the space problem. For this, add a style to the section as margin dash top to, for example, 20 pixels is fine. If you want, you can write this style rule on the CSS file, which is more accurate actually, but I want to show you that you can add style on HTML too. Also, let's change the second paragraph's font size for the updated. These two paragraphs should be different from each other. Just add a small tag to the paragraph. Okay, as you see, refresh the page. Okay, as you see it become now nicer than the before. But let's add a class to the small tag for muted, just to make it a little gray. Now refresh again. Okay, it is done. Now let's duplicate this card. Just copy and paste the cards div. Just select cards, copy and paste. Okay, now run the page and refresh. Okay, but if you notice, the pictures are not responsive, they are overflowing the table. Here, if you look here, you can see, even if we check the page on small screen size device, the images are still overflowing. To correct this, just go to the code and add a new class to images as image img-fluid. Add this class to the all images in the cards. Also change the pictures for fashion -2 here and 3 here, which are already created by me before, and don't forget the alternative texts. Now we can save and run. Okay, now here we have a better outcome. See you on next lecture.